And then there's a bunch of different sections that get generated based on the analysis that was conducted and leveraged in this report. We can see that there's 749 reviews that have been analyzed here, and again, across all 4 of those products. So the first thing here in the customer insights is going to be the customer profile. So you can see here who actually bought it. And this is basically the most common consumer reviews that are included with keywords. So a lot of these people are buying it for kids, they're buying it for a wife, son, friend, daughter. So it's not only the purchaser on Amazon that's the demographic, it's who they're buying it for. And you can kind of really pull that out. This is really critical for different periods in time. So say it's Father's Day and say husband or dad is the core demographic, you can really hone in on those keywords. If it's bought for kids, you can kind of fill that out there. The other thing is when. So just everyday usage. This one's used for vacation, used at night, used overnights, used every night. So this is a guitar that's used on evenings and it's used when on vacation. Some other things in terms of where it's used, people are using this in cars, they're using it to take on planes, they're using it in hotels, houses, etc. So again, when you hone in on the buying reason based on the review sentiment, you can start to weave those keywords. You can start to talk to your customers with both the photos and the bullets that hone in on those various points. And then what? So obviously this is a travel guitar. So a lot of people are buying it for travel. They're buying it for traveling, for practice, and then to take on a day trip. So again, some keywords and some other things that you can leverage in your listing. So really love that customer profile. Also, you might find some things here like Father's Day or gift or Christmas. You can use some seasonal based words once you start to identify why people are buying this product and adjust both your listing images and product bullets and descriptions after. And then it's got some key reviews that it's pulled out here. Usage scenario is another big one. So 38% are using it for travel guitar. There's home practice, beginner guitar. I wouldn't have thought about that, but we can potentially hone in on this being a great beginner guitar, starter guitar for children, practice, travel practice guitar, learning to play, etc. So again, some use cases pulled out of those reviews that you just wouldn't be able to do manually, just looking at things and eyeballing them or even using Google Sheets. Now, customer sentiment, this one is really good for enhancing your product if it's an existing product, and or if you're doing product development and figuring out, hey, how can I make this product better? What angle can I cover that's not satisfying existing customers in the segment based on the reviews? So poor sound quality. So again, because it's a travel guitar, a lot of these are dinky guitars and the sound's not great. Tuning issues, poor craftsmanship, low quality components, uncomfortable to play, sharp frets, poor tuning, defective broken parts. So can you improve the sound? Can you improve how well this thing holds a tune when you take the neck off? Can you make it more comfortable and easy to play? Some positive feedback. Again, it's good to know what the best sellers are doing well. So it says great sound, easy to play, awesome sound, durable, lightweight, etc. The other thing here that oftentimes I don't see a lot of people do with reviews is why are people buying it? Or more importantly, why are they actually converting? Understanding this and ensuring that your product and how you deliver your brand, your listing, etc. can really help convert better. So great value. So people are buying this for value and quality. It's perfect for beginners. It's affordable, great for travel and camping. Amazing sound, beginner friendly. Again, these are all keywords and hot buttons as to why people purchased and the sentiment on why they purchased. The last here is how are these products meeting customer expectations and what are the unmet needs? Again, very similar to what are the negative reviews coming from. So sound quality, functionality, construction, improving the strings, and making it better sound quality. You can also download all of these various sections if you wanted to pull those external, send them to somebody on your team, etc. You can also go to this review section here and say pull all the 1-star reviews and just scan what those 1-star reviews are. It also has some general topics in terms of what were the key themes, pulling up the keywords here in some of the various listings. You can also look at 5 stars to see where they're actually doing really well. Again, the pros and any cons that they would have in the reviews are going to pull out here, and you can see what the actual sentence is where that sentiment exists. Now that's looking at all 4 ASINs here. There's a particular guitar